Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a real simple dish, pesto rigatoni, start to finish, once the pasta's in, 10 minutes. Let's make the fresh pesto. You want 2 cups of basil leaves, a half a cup of Parmesan cheese, a quarter cup of walnuts, 2 garlic cloves that have been minced, salt and pepper to taste, a half a cup of olive oil set aside, and then cook 16 ounces of rigatoni in salted boiling water. But before you drain the pasta, grab at least a half a cup of the pasta water. And basically what you want to do is, the first thing you want to do is pulsate all the ingredients. And then you want to start slowly adding the oil in. I did this with a little attachment that kind of auto drizzles it in, but you could certainly remove that and just pour it in yourself. And kind of, you might have to scrape down the sides once or twice while you're doing it. And then you just want to process it till it reaches a nice, smooth, silky consistency. And trust me, fresh pesto is 10 times better than that store-bought jarred crap. Okay, our pasta's been cooked. And remember, whenever you do pasta, it's important to take at least 1 minute off of the minimum cooking time on the package. Okay, and then let's add all that wonderful pesto from the food processor and give it a good stir. And once it looks something like this, it's time to be served. And to serve, a little bit more Parmesan cheese, and of course some freshly ground black pepper. And that's it. Pesto rigatoni. Done.